Hello and welcome to another edition of Autocar India's Quick News, your weekly roundup of everything new in the automotive industry. Before we get started, a quick reminder to subscribe to the Autocar India channel and hit that bell notification icon to stay notified of all the new and exciting videos coming out. We kick things off with news from Delhi. Earlier this week, the Delhi government enforced a ban on fuel sales to vehicles marked end of life. That is, petrol vehicles older than 15 years and diesel vehicles older than 10 years. The Delhi government has now put these plans on hold. On July 1st, over 350 fuel stations across Delhi NCR were fitted with AI-powered number plate recognition cameras and hooter systems. Enforcement teams were also deployed at select stations in South Delhi to catch end-of-life vehicles refueling. Owners caught violating the ban would have their vehicles impounded straight away. Following public backlash as well as operational and technical hurdles, the Delhi government has put the fuel ban on hold for now. However, it could be reinstated later this year once the ANPR system is fully rolled out across Delhi NCR. The Toyota Innova Hycross has scored 5 stars in the Bharat NCAP crash tests. This makes it the first Toyota, the first MPV, and also the first hybrid vehicle to be tested by BNCAP so far. The Innova Hycross has secured 30.47 points out of 32 in adult occupant protection. In the frontal offset deformable barrier test, it provided good protection for most of the body for the driver and passenger, but chest protection was only adequate. However, it scored full marks in the side movable deformable barrier test and was also rated OK in the side pole impact test. In the child occupant protection test, the Innova Hycross secured 45 out of 49 points. It got full points in the dynamic test and the CRS installation test and 9 out of 13 in the vehicle assessment test. The 18-month-old and 3-year-old child dummies were tested in rearward-facing child seats secured by ISOFIX mounts and a support leg. Bharat NCAP has tested both petrol and hybrid variants of the Innova Hycross and has clarified that the rating applies to the entire range. As standard, the Innova Hycross comes equipped with 6 airbags, 3-point seatbelts with reminders for all passengers, ESC, ISOFIX anchors for the rear outboard seats, and a passenger side airbag cutoff switch. It also complies with the AIS 100 pedestrian protection norms, and the top spec ZXO trim comes equipped with the ADAS suite. Ahead of its launch, JSW MG Motor India has revealed full specs of the all-electric M9. Bookings have been open since May for Rs 51,000 via MG Select, the brand's premium retail network. The MG M9 is the brand's first MPV in India and is expected to be priced about Rs 65 lakh ex-showroom. The M9 features a 90 kWh nickel manganese cobalt battery under the floor. This unit powers a 245 horsepower 350 Nm motor mounted on the front axle. As per the brand's internal testing, the M9 has a range of 548 km on a single charge. The M9 measures 5,200 mm long, 2,000 mm wide and 1,800 mm tall, with a 3,200 mm wheelbase, making it larger than MPVs like the Kia Carnival and Toyota Velfire. Up front, it sports a trapezoidal grille, split LED headlamps and a connected DRL. It rides on 19-inch alloy wheels with self-healing Continental Conti Seal tires. The rear doors are power sliding, while the rear gets an electric tailgate, connected tail lamps, a roof spoiler with stop lamp and a rear wiper. The M9's interior features a mix of leather and suede in rich cognac brown finish. It comes with a 12.3-inch touchscreen, 7-inch digital driver's display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a JBL sound system. Other highlights include powered, heated, ventilated and massage-enabled front seats, a wireless charger, single-pane sunroof, drive modes, digital IRVM and a PM 2.5 air filter. In the second row, the captain's chairs get massage, ventilation, heating and fold-out ottomans for added comfort. Each seat has armrest-mounted touchscreens to control all the key functions. The front passenger seat can slide forward in boss mode to free up more rear space. For those being chauffeured, there's a panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting and manual rear window shades. Rear entertainment screens are expected to be optional. The third row seats 3 with AC vents and USB-A ports. The M9 also supports vehicle-to-load and vehicle-to-vehicle charging. Boot space is up to 945 liters with a 55-liter frunk up front. The M9 safety kit includes Level 2 ADAS, 7 airbags, a 360-degree camera, ESP, ESB, TPMS, all-wheel disc brakes, ISOFIX mounts, and emergency brake assist. While its BNCAP rating isn't out yet, the M9 secured full 5-star ratings in both Euro NCAP and NCAP crash tests. Prices for the MG M9 will be announced towards the end of July. Ahead of its launch, Kia has teased the Carens Clavis EV's exterior and interior. Visually, it stays close to the ICE version with only a few EV-specific tweaks. Kia claims a range of 490 km on a single charge. Kia hasn't confirmed the battery specs for the Carens Clavis EV yet, but it is expected to share the setup with the Hyundai Creta Electric, which offers 42 kWh and 51.4 kWh options. The larger pack delivers a 473 km ARAI range, slightly less than the Clavis EV's claimed 490 km, suggesting it uses the same or a tweaked version of that battery. The 177 horsepower, 255 Nm front axle motor from the Creta Electric is also likely to be carried over. Exterior changes on the Carens Clavis EV include a revised front bumper, aero-efficient dual-tone alloy wheels, and a charging socket on the nose with a silver garnish below it. It also gets new iQube LED fog lamps. Inside, the center console now has a floating design thanks to the absence of a gear lever, which frees up more storage space. There's also a new wireless charging pad with controls placed ahead of it. The twin 12.3-inch screens carry over, but the EV gets refreshed interior color scheme. The Kia Carens Clavis EV is expected to launch on July 15th. It's been a big week for electric scooters with 3 launches, starting with the Hero Vida VX2, a more affordable, family-focused model from Hero's EV arm. The Vida VX2 comes in 2 variants, the Go with a 2.2 kWh battery and the Plus with a 3.4 kWh battery, offering acclaimed IDC ranges of 92 km and 142 km respectively. It is also available with a battery as a subscription plan where you buy the scooter and lease the batteries. Hero claims running costs of just Rs 0.96 per kilometer, and if battery performance drops below 70% under the BAS plan, it'll be replaced free of charge. The Go gets a 4.3-inch LCD, while the Plus gets a 4.3-inch TFT screen. Both come with connectivity features and a physical key. The Go offers 2 ride modes, Eco and Ride, while the Plus adds a Sport mode. The Go variant is priced at Rs 59,490 with BAS and Rs 99,490 without it, while the Plus commands Rs 64,990 with BAS and Rs 1.10 lakh without it. TVS has added another variant to its growing iQube lineup. This new version gets a 3.1 kWh battery and is priced at Rs 1.10 lakh ex-showroom Bengaluru. With this, the iQube range now includes 6 variants. As the name suggests, the iQube 3.1 is powered by a 3.1 kWh battery with a claimed IDC range of 123 km. It uses the same Bosch hub-mounted motor as the rest of the lineup, and like the top spec ST 5.1, it has a claimed top speed of 82 kph. Like the iQube 3.5, the new 3.1 variant takes 4 hours and 30 minutes to charge from 0 to 80%, a big jump from the 2 hours 45 minutes of the base 2.2. Mechanically and feature-wise, it is similar to other iQubes with a spacious 32-liter boot, color TFT display, front disc brake, pillion backrest and dual-tone options. What's new is hail-hold functionality and a refreshed UI UX for the TFT displays. Priced at Rs 1.10 lakh ex-showroom Bengaluru, it neatly slots between the base 2.2 and the 3.5. Ather has expanded its Rizta family scooter lineup with the introduction of a new Rizta S 3.7 kWh, priced at Rs 1.38 lakh ex-showroom Bengaluru. This new variant targets riders who want more range than the base 2.9 kWh model but don't need all the premium features from the top spec Z trim. It uses the same 3.7 kWh battery as the Z but skips features like the color TFT touchscreen and a few cosmetic elements to keep costs down. Still, it packs essentials like the 7-inch deep view LCD, auto hold, emergency stop signal, turn-by-turn navigation, and Ather's fall safe feature. Performance is identical across the S and Z variants regardless of the battery size. Same power, torque and a 80 kph top speed. The key upgrade with the 3.7 kWh battery is the extended 159 km IDC range. Priced at Rs 1.38 lakh, the Ather Rizta S 3.7 kWh slots between the base Z 2.9 kWh and the top spec Z 3.7 kWh battery pack. And that's a wrap for quick news this week. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you again next week.